Hello and welcome back to Unqualified Opinions. I'm your host, Michelle, and today's topic is daycation or detention, when care starts acting like control. Here is a simple question. When does adult daycare stop being care and start being control? This episode is about Daycation, which is an adult day program that has restricted visitors for certain attendees. The restriction was described as individualized. The reason given was simple. The power of attorney said so. That answer sounds official. It also raises legal questions. Let's walk through them. Daycation is an adult day program. It is not a court, a jail, a guardianship, or a locked facility. People who attend Daycation are adults. They do not lose their civil or constitutional rights when they walk in the door, and activities, meals, and supervision do not cancel basic freedoms. A power of attorney is a limited tool. It gives authority over specific decisions. It does not give ownership of a person. A power of attorney does not automatically control who an elder sees, who they can visit, or who they can advocate. Unless the document clearly says the power exists, it does not exist. Many people treat power of attorneys like magic papers. The law does not. And Daycation described the visitor restriction as being individualized. That word matters, but it does not end the discussion. An individualized restriction must be written down based on a real reason, narrow in scope, reviewed over time, accepted by the elder, or supported by a legal authority. If those steps are missing, the restriction is, faulty. Calling something individualized does not make it lawful. The elder, they still have a voice. This part gets ignored all too often. Unless a court has removed rights, the elder still has a say. And if an elder wants visitors, asks questions, or requests an advocate, that matters too. A power of attorney cannot erase that by default. Ignoring the elder creates risk, legal risk. Even when a power of attorney asks for restrictions, Daycation still has responsibility. Daycation must check the power of attorney's authority, confirm the elder is not objecting, avoid unnecessary isolation, allow access to advocates, and revisit the decision. Following instructions without review is not protection, it is exposure. Why isolation raises alarms? Isolation is not neutral. It hides problems, it limits oversight, and increases harm. That is why the law treats unnecessary isolation very seriously. When people are kept apart from support, regulators pay attention, and they should. Consumer warning advisory. Here is the warning. Do not support businesses that violate civil or constitutional rights. Care does not excuse control. Policy does not override the law. When you spend money and where you spend money matters. Support providers that respect autonomy. Question those that do not. This episode is not about attacking a business. It is about understanding boundaries. A power of attorney is limited. Individualized restrictions are reviewable. Elders remain people with rights. Care should support life, not narrow it. That standard applies to Daycation. It applies to every provider.
Daycation is not detention. Protect elder rights. 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 Daycation is not detention. Protect elder rights.